We are in such a snowflake generation now. Everybody has to whine and wail. Just get on with it.
Hey, Snowflake. You upset your Instagram post only got 5 likes. You offended no one takes your gluten intolerance seriously. Did only your mum share your online petition? Are you offended that 82% of countries torture their own citizens? Are you offended by children drowning? Are you offended that hundreds of gay men can be abducted and killed? Well, sometimes you should be offended, and we're offended too. You still have the power to change things. You are not powerless. We are with you, and we have got this. We have taken governments to court and won. We change laws and we defend your rights. Now is not the time to give up. Use your voice, Snowflake. Now what you gonna do? Go and cry some more? Or take some fucking action?